No repaint indicator. That's the name of the indicator that I will show you today, and which I am using for binary options trading, of course, but you can use this indicator also for scalping forex indices, gold, also cryptos. Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video. Today I will share you this indicator, so if you want to see what's all about, stay here until the end of this video. This is an indicator for MT4 platform. You might be overwhelmed of all these signals that you can see here, arrows, ups and downs, arrows, but I will explain you everything in the video. And also by the end of this video you will find out how you can have for free this indicator, how you can download for free this indicator. All right, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. And with that being said, let's jump into this video. All right, everyone. I hope everybody is well today. So, as the name suggests of this no repaint indicator, this is exactly a no repaint indicator, and that means this is a very nice thing because you can backtest this indicator and see that truly is not repainting. All right, guys, so the no repaint indicator, it is for MetaTrader 4, as I mentioned, and provides long and short arrows as trading signals. As you can see here, you might be overwhelmed that at the first sight look that there are too many arrows displayed, and this is true, but I suggest you adding here a 50 period exponential moving averages, and this way we only trade in the direction of the trend, and provided signals are much less disturbing. And let's go ahead and let's add here an 50 moving average. Let's go ahead and let's see, where do we have trend here, moving average, and let's place this one with yellow, and it will be a 50, not simple, it will be exponential moving average. Okay, here we go. And how we will trade right now? For a long trade, for a buy trade, you should follow these steps. Right, so if you see the 50 moving average, and if you see the price it is below the 50 moving average, you will be looking for down trades. If you see the price it is above the moving average, you will be looking for up trades. All right, and in this case here we will take only this one. Let me put a pen, just 1 second. Yellow as I like it. Okay, and we will take this trade. We, in this case here, we are above the 50 moving average. Here we will take this up trade, this up trade also, this up trade also, because we are on the line, and also this up trades. Yes, only these up trades. When we are below the moving average, we will take only the down trades, as for example this one, and also this one, and this one also. Yes, we will be looking only for down trades. This is how we are using this indicator for binary options trade. You have to set this on 5 minutes. As you can see here, the chart, it will be on 5 minutes, and you will be placing 2-minute trades here on Kotex platform or any other platform you are using. I'm using Kotex because I'm with them for more than 1 year and never had problems with withdrawals and so on. This is a web trading platform and it's working like a clock charm, but this is your choice. You are doing whatever you want. And these are a few trades that I've placed yesterday on 15 September, as you can see here. And as you can see, from all 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 trades, only 2 trades are out of the money, and these trades I recovered, as you can see here, placing double trades, you know, the martingale system which I'm using on trading binary options. And my account right now on Cotex is $14,882. Let's go back to our chart here on MT4 platform. So you will use the indicator on MT4 platform for binary options trading. Use a 5-minute time frame and place 2-minute trades. All right, this is an deep sell from the indicator from Forex Max Profit. This is another indicator that I showed you in my previous videos. And once again, let's recapitulate again. So for buy trade, price is located above the moving average here. No repaint indicator provides blue buy arrow. Price swing higher from recent low swing. Buy trade is triggered after the above condition are met. Yes, and set the stop loss a few pips below the last swing low. Take profit or exit whenever the no repaint indicator provides the opposite arrow. Yes, this is simple, and vice versa here for sell trade. Price is located below the 50 moving average. No repaint indicator provides sell arrow. Price swing lower from recent high swing. Sell trade is triggered after the above condition are met, and stop loss a few pips above the last swing high of the market, and take profit or exit whenever the no repaint indicator provides the opposite arrow, or use your own method of trade exit. So this is how you are using this indicator. How you can have this indicator if you like it and if you want to use it for binary options trading, but also for Forex, crypto, indices, and gold. Just go below this video in the description area or in the first comment of this video, and you will find a link which will take you to a blog post of my website, and over there you will be able to click on the bottom of the blog post. You will find a button where it said download, but please feel free to read the blog post about this indicator to understand it more better. And you will find a RAR file. This is an archive file. You will need WinRAR on your computer. It's free. Just Google WinRAR, and then go ahead, right click on the WinRAR file and extract here, and it will extract you the file folder with the indicator, no repaint indicator, and inside you will find the, let me go ahead, you'll find the AX4 file and also the MQL source file of this indicator if you want to play with it, and if you know a little bit SQL, you can make this indicator better. All right, so that's pretty much it about this indicator. If you like the indicator, give me a like, and please share with me here in the comments below how is working for you. Of course, use this indicator first on a demo account. Cotex also, it is coming with a demo account. Yes, and I'll put a link below this video with the demo. It will take you straight to the demo. You don't have to register or do anything else. Just start and using this strategy. So you need a binary options broker and you will need MT4 platform in order to use this strategy. Is as simple as that. And in the next video, I will place some trades also on Cotex using this indicator. All right, guys, so if you like the video, give me a like and also share this video to your friends. Maybe they will like this indicator. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.